how to use Tesla's dog mode and Sentry mode. All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about two awesome features, dog mode and Sentry mode, that make your Tesla even cooler. Dog mode. If you're running errands and need to leave your dog in the car, dog mode keeps them safe and comfortable. Here's how to use it. 1. Turn on the car and set the cabin temperature to a comfortable level for your dog. 2. On the touchscreen, tap dog mode in the climate control section. 3. Exit the car, and the display will show a message that says, "My owner will be back soon. Don't worry, the temperature is fine." 4. Dog mode will keep your Tesla cool and alert passersby that your dog is safe. Sentry mode. Sentry mode is a security feature that keeps an eye on your car when you're not around. Here's how to activate it. 1. Tap the security tab on your Tesla's main screen. Activate Sentry mode. You'll see a red dot appear on the screen, indicating it's recording. 3. If any motion is detected around your car, the cameras will start recording and will even trigger an alert if something suspicious happens. 4. You can also monitor the footage through the Tesla app. Bottom line, both dog mode and Sentry mode are perfect for keeping your Tesla secure and your furry friends safe when you need them to be. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.